Wait before you skip this, because I want to share with you how the gelatin trick completely flipped my morning routine on its head. I used to wake up feeling sluggish, like I was carrying around a heavy weight that I just couldn't shake. But then I discovered the gelatin trick, and it's been a total game changer. Now, I start my day with a sense of lightness and clarity that I never thought possible. The gelatin trick is all about incorporating a simple, daily ritual into your morning routine, using just a few basic ingredients from your kitchen. For me, it's been about finding a sense of balance and harmony, and the gelatin trick has been instrumental in helping me achieve that. By making this one small change, I've noticed a huge difference in how I feel, and I'm excited to share that with you. To learn more about how you can start your own gelatin trick journey, check out the link in my description below, and be sure to take a look at the pinned comment for some extra tips and tricks to get you started. Head to the link now and start feeling the benefits of the gelatin trick for yourself.